Let's say bakery 4.0 is not really standard. It's a good opportunity to go into that ideas, into that areas. When I have a closer look to the structure of the plant, existing plant, brownfields, new factories, greenfield. So the approach is quite different in these two types of factories. So production area are very important to be regarding material management. Tracking, tracing is very important for the production area. Inside packaging area, cooling, frozen, whatever, the idea of digitalization is indeed to be developed. So the benefit of digitalization for sure is the production area is material tracking, tracing. Which materials have been used in which products. So this is regarding production area. Inside packaging area, it's very important to know which OEEs, which KPIs have been achieved by different production lines. For these two, let's say, benefits are the major benefits inside baked goods industry. Digitalization should indeed be integration of all informations we have in a plant in a horizontal manner, but as well as a vertical integration. So when I have a look to ERP level, I would love to go down from a bill of materials already existing in ERP level, take it into production area. Inside production area, I need a batch management, I need material management for knowing which materials have been used for which products. Then, at the end of the day, inside packaging area, these products, the performance of the packaging lines has to be really defined by performance of that lines to exactly know which machines has delivered which kind of information. So regarding Weihenstephan standard for interfacing these machines is very important as well for existing factories, but for new factories I can define it in the phase of planning the plant.